Ever feel like managing diabetes while enjoying your favorite Indian meals is like juggling spices and savoring each one? Or it's like dancing on hot coals and not feeling the heat? Well, grab your chai, no sugar of course, because today we're spicing things up with practical advice on how to enjoy your meals while keeping blood sugar levels in check. Tip 1. Understand the glycemic index. Think of the GI as your food speedometer for releasing sugar into your blood. Choose low GI foods like whole wheat chapatis, basmati rice, and millets over white rice and parathas. That naan you love? Enjoy it occasionally, like a rare guest, not a daily resident. Tip 2. Balance your meals. Aim for 3 balanced meals and 2 healthy snacks a day. Imagine your day like a Bollywood blockbuster. Good pacing keeps the audience and your glucose levels happy. Avoid snacks like Bombay mix and deep-fried goodies like pakoras and samosas. They're more villain than hero. Tip 3. Portion control is key. Follow the plate model. Half your plate with non-starchy veggies like spinach and cauliflower, 1/4 with whole grains like basmati rice, and 1/4 with protein like lentils or grilled chicken. Rice lovers, stick to 1.52 cups of cooked rice per meal to avoid chaos in your glucose party. Tip 4. Snack smarter. Cravings? Go for whole wheat bread with peanut butter, plain yogurt with fresh berries, or a handful of roasted nuts. Skip the sugary options and choose air-popped popcorn over butter-drenched varieties. Your snacks can still be satisfying and diabetes-friendly. Tip 5. Spice things up. Indian spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and fenugreek aren't just tasty. They're great for managing blood sugar. Use them generously to turn your meals into flavorful medicine. Tip 6. Hydrate the healthy way. Ditch sugary chai and soft drinks. Choose plain water, herbal teas, or unsweetened coconut water. Start your day with a glass of warm water to wake up your digestion. Stay refreshed and keep those glucose levels in check. Tip 7. Know your no-go zone. Some foods need to stay off your plate or visit rarely. Avoid sugary chai, desserts, high GI items like naan, paratha, and appam, and salty snacks like Bombay mix. Tip 8. Mindful eating for the win. Sit down, savor, and eat slowly. This helps you notice when you're full, so you avoid overeating. Plus, mindful eating makes every bite more enjoyable. Managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. It's about balance, portion control, and smarter swaps. Start small, stay consistent, and remember that healthy eating is worth the effort. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to keep your taste buds and glucose levels happy. See you next time.